Hello everyone. My name is Amit, and today is our second lecture in the Python series. And today is the introduction of Python for the beginners. Okay, so what if I told you that the same programming language used by Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, and OpenAI is also one of the easiest language to learn? Yeah, that's true, and that is Python. Whether you want to become a software developer, data scientist, AI engineer, or automate boring daily tasks, Python is one of the best place to start. In this video, I'll explain what Python is, why it is so popular, and why millions of people choose it as their first programming language. So basically, Python is an high-level, interpreted, and a general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and was the first release in 1991. The ultimate goal behind Python was simple, e- easy to read programming language, easy to write, and easy to understand. Unlike many other programming language, Python uses simple English syntax, allowing beginners to focus on learning programming concepts instead of worrying about the complicated syntax and the rules. Basically, this is the statement for Python statement for hello world. This is just a single line code. It's the same statement in Java if we write. Actually, there we need to define the public class, public static void main, and then we have to give the print statement. So basically, one line statement, and here there are whole three line statements. So this is the main difference between Python. So why Python is so popular? So there are many reasons for Python to becoming one of the most popular programming language in the world. The number one point is easy to learn. Instead of writing many lines of complex code, Python often lets you use the small problem in just a small line, in few lines. This saves time and makes coding more enjoyable. It is used everywhere, be it from artificial intelligence, generative AI, machine learning, data science, web development, automation, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software testing, desktop application, API, and backend development. The third point is there's a huge community support. If you're stuck while learning or doing something, you'll find thousands of tutorials, articles, YouTube videos, documentation, and community forums ready to help. The fourth one is thousands of ready to use libraries. Some of the few popular libraries are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Django, and Flask, which are basically used for web development, TensorFlow, PyTorch for artificial intelligence. The fifth point is cross-platform language. Python works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you write a code, it usually runs on different operating system with little or no modification. So that it is easy Python. Who should basically learn Python? Python is perfect for students, working professional, beginners with no coding experience, engineers, data analysts, AI enthusiasts, and anyone who is looking to switch into the tech industry. The main part of Python is that no prior programming language is required to get into Python. So my final thoughts after explaining about Python is Python isn't just a programming language. It's a skill that is used to unlock opportunities across software development, data science, automation, and AI. So that's it. That was for today. Thank you.